Here's how to change the payment method on YouTube Premium. Now open up the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android. You can see I have both here, or just go to youtube.com. The first thing you're going to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right where it says you on both phones. And then tap on the gear icon at the top right of the phone. Scroll down and tap on Purchases and Memberships on both iPhone and Android. And here you can see, in my case, Premium Lite, or it might just say Premium. Tap on the Manage button to the right of that on both phones. And make sure at the top right you can tap on your profile and make sure that is the correct profile that you want to change that payment method for. And then just tap the little X. Next, tap on Change Payment Method on both. And then tap on Manage on both. You'll be able to see it brings you to this page. On your iPhone, tap on Payment Methods here. After you've done that, you can tap on Add a Payment Method, add a credit or debit card, and then just go through the process of entering in that credit or debit card information. After you've done that, you can save that as the new payment method. Now, on your Android phone, you can see it works a little bit different because it says I have Google One here. I can tap on Google One, and you can see it says Primary Payment Method. Just tap on Update. From here, again, I can choose to add a credit or debit card instead of using my Amex. And then just enter in that card information, the month, year, and then of course your address, and tap Save Card, and then switch that payment method on both of them. You can always remove that old card if you wanted to as well. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.